When we open the software, a file will automatically come out. We can browse the entire software through this pre-made file. It's okay if you accidentally turn it off. You can open the import in the file here. Library character. Then you can choose the character you want at will. There are many system roles here. You can also see the sort order here. 3D audio, characters, effects, graphics, and more. Let's choose a character to open. In this way, we can use a variety of media materials import into our project. This dialog box asking if we should import this character. Left, we can also see this layer that we want to import. This character has only one layer, but if the character you are working on has many layers, you can choose to import all. You can also choose to partially import. This is the layer we're going to import. We'll see there's a import reference. It's asking you if you want to import by reference. That is to say, if you pass the reference import, then I created several animations for this character. When you change the initial role, the following files will be changed accordingly. But if you don't check this, then you can only modify it one by one. Okay, I click OK. Moho Import supports many formats: JPG, BMP, Target, PNG, PSD. But normally, we use PNG relatively more because of this format can provide multiple levels of transparency. This way you can easily interact with the scene, other materials mixed into a nice picture. In addition, if you want to import sequence files, Moho will import your files into layers. You can continue editing your animation. Moho can also support QuickTime AVI movie files. These videos can be played together with Moho animations. For example, have you seen some cartoons? Character watching TV? The TV shows real people. That's how it's done. Also, OBJ 3D files can also be imported. But this software is not 3D software after all. The content he supports is definitely not as refined as the effects of 3D Max and Maya. So just don't be serious with him. Okay, we can see now. The character is already placed in our window. In this window, we can see that like many software, on the left is the toolbar. The first piece is bone-related tools. The second piece is layer-related tools. The third block is camera-related tools. The fourth part is how to zoom in, zoom out, move and rotate your workspace. On the right side of the software, we can see the hierarchical relationship of roles. Look, you opened up these little arrows. Below is the neatly arranged bone hierarchy. These are the timelines. It is also similar to the animation timeline of Maya and 3D Max. These small dots are the key pins of each bone on the timeline. They are used to control the character's action rhythm. If I just click on the bones of the character like this, the key needles on the bones are displayed. What about when I adjust some movements of the bones casually? Look at this timeline. This character is moving, but when we give the character action at frame 0, this role will be restored. Why? In Moho, frame 0 is the default by default. The action does not participate in the animation workspace. The upper right side is the color drawing area. If you want to change the color or draw something, then you can choose here. Advanced is a higher level option. Can do some complex color effects. It says my screen is too small. Need to expand individual panels. I click OK. Then we can see the contents of the advanced options. The effect here has indeed increased a lot. The buttons at the top are similar to other software. File, edit, draw, skeleton, animation, script. Various panels that display the work area help. There is a project setting in the file. Some fixed content that your project needs to set. For example, size, frame rate, etc. You can also refer to this list to understand the specific meaning.